Alibaba Dropshipping portal. So let's get started. First of all, create your account. Create your free buyer account on Alibaba by entering your email and all the details. Then connect your online store. If you are using Shopify or WooCommerce, you can connect your store directly to the Alibaba Dropshipping Center. Then find verified suppliers and product to sell. Use the Alibaba Dropshipping Center to search for products. Look for verified suppliers and filter by low MOQ to find those option to single item orders. Then import products into your store. Once your import list is ready, choose the products you want and click push to store. This will send them directly into your Shopify or WooCommerce store prepared to be published. Communicate and request dropshipping support. Even if a product does not mention dropshipping, you can message the supplier directly to ask, do they support single unit shipping? Can they offer custom packaging? What are the shipping times and refund policies? Then set up your store. Ensure your product pages are optimized with clear descriptions, accurate pricing, and high quality images. Then start selling and fulfill orders automatically. When a customer places an order, play the supplier on Alibaba. They will ship the product directly to your customer and you can track everything using Alibaba sync tools. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching.